Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Explainer Videos, Chapter 20, NORMDIST Function in Excel. The NORMDIST function in Excel is a statistical tool used to analyze data based on the normal distribution, which is essential in corporate finance for assessing probabilities and understanding data distributions. This function calculates the probability that a value falls below a given point in a normal distribution, which can be useful for risk assessment, forecasting, and financial modeling. To use the NORMDIST function, you provide four key arguments: the value for which you want to determine the probability, the mean of the normal distribution, the standard deviation of the distribution, and a logical value indicating whether you want the cumulative distribution function, true, or the probability density function, false. The cumulative distribution function returns the probability that the value is less than or equal to a given number, while the probability density function gives the height of the distribution curve at that point. For instance, if you're analyzing stock returns and want to understand the probability of returns falling below a certain threshold, NORMDIST helps quantify that probability based on historical data. This function is invaluable for risk management, portfolio analysis, and decision-making, providing a quantitative basis for assessing financial outcomes and uncertainties. By integrating NORMDIST into your financial analysis, you can make more informed decisions and better understand the variability and risks associated with your financial data.